Hello student, today we are going to see this next topic that is bioluminescence in animals. This bioluminescence means it is a light produced by a chemical reaction within a living organisms, and these bioluminescent marine species include fish, bacteria and jellies. Some bioluminescent organisms include the fireflies and fungi are found on land, and there are almost no bioluminescent organisms native to freshwater habitats. These bioluminescent animals is occurs through a chemical reaction produces that light energy within an organism's body. For a reaction to occur, a species must contain luciferin, a molecules that when it reacts with oxygen produces the light, and many contain luciferin, a molecule that when it reacts with oxygen products, and many organisms also produce the catalyst luciferase, which helps to speed up the reaction. So there are mainly five bioluminescents in the animals. You can say the example of jellyfish, the squid, anglerfish, then lanternfish, firefly and fungi. So these are the 5 or 6 species of animal which are a bioluminescent they are occurs. So in the zoology, the bioluminescent function is the bioluminescent are not known for all animals. Typically, bioluminescence is used to warn or evade predators, to lure or detect prey, and for communication between members of the same species. The bioluminescent organism emits light from its body. It can be voluntary on purpose or involuntary not on purposes. The some organism that produces the bioluminescence. See, for example, is fireflies, is animals which are they having a capacity to bioluminescence with the animals. So basically, this animal is bioluminescent. For these animals, they are calling for the other animals for the food purpose and for reproduction. Second one is the squid. Squid having a light producing organs. They are producing lights for the predators. Then the jellyfish having a 4 to 5 tentacles having a light producing organs. Then this is the mushroom. This mushroom having a one of the important light producing organs. The many deep sea critters, that is the anglerfish having a one tentacles on the head, and these anglerfish they are produce their light with the bioluminescence. Then bacteria and phytoplankton. So this some of the planktons, phytoplanktons is also bioluminescent. They are producing the light in the water. So why this bioluminescent use? Specifically, the warning to predators to don't eat it in the particular area. Then camouflages. So this animal they are also food purpose. Navigations for the movement of animal from one place to the other place. Then communication. This communication in the finding the mates for the fertilization. Then attract prey, that is anglerfish. So this is the use of the bioluminescent in the animals. So the camouflage is the cookie cutter shark. They are counter illuminations as the shark, and rises close closer to the surface. It lights its underside so a predator looking up from beneath does not see its full silhouette and the shark disappears. The communication is they attracting the mates in a adelating midshipman, and this midshipman fish they are attract with their communication the animals. They attract the prey, the angler fish. The lighted lure attracts prey. The cookies cutter shark, since only a small part of its body is easily visible and it looks like a smaller animal, attracting something that thinks it is going to get a meal, but they instead become a meal for the much larger shark. And so that this animal, the angler fish, is important for the bioluminescent. Among land dwelling animals, the bioluminescent occurs in invertebrates such as insects, the fireflies, glowworms, millipedes, insects, larvae, worms, and spiders. The color of the bioluminescent is most bioluminescent organisms in the ocean produce blue-green light, and the color that transmits best through ocean water. The animal living on the bottom tend to have bioluminescence shifted towards green, which transmits best in the murkier water. Some worms and an octopus even produce yellow bioluminescence. So how does this bioluminescence is used for the animals? Throughout the animals, the humans have been fascinated by the light have produced by the luminescent organs, and the glimmering power of bioluminescence has been harnessed for life-saving uses in medicine, from lighting up structure inside the brain to the illuminating the progression of the cancer cells. So this bioluminescent is important for their attracting the animals. So this is about the bioluminescence.